Is it a musical instrument or is it a cleaning device? They've been around since 1895 and they're still cleaning up. We're headed to the Columbus Washboard Company. It's a one-tank trip. Welcome to Logan, Ohio, a cute little town located midway between Athens and Columbus. Just across the street from the Hocking County Courthouse, you'll find the new location of the Columbus Washboard Company.
It was founded in 1895 in Columbus, Ohio. And then the family had gotten tired of running the business and were going to sell everything. A group of us got together and purchased it and moved it to Logan.
And now this is the only washboard company in the U.S. And surprisingly today, there are people who still use washboards to do laundry.
When I went to China for a month, I took my washboard with me and my clothesline and clothespins and soap and did my laundry while I was there for a month. There were people in apartment buildings still like to use washboards, especially during the pandemic, because a lot of the laundromats were closed and so people were forced to have to do their laundry at home.
If you're serious about using a washboard for your clothes, you'll be happy to know that the Columbus Washboard Company also sells their own soap. But washboards aren't just for cleaning.
So we have a lot of washboard musicians coming in and testing them and trying to hear the different sounds and different resonance. Well, one of our big customers is Disney, and we do a special board for them. They have a hoop-de-doo view and they get people to play along, and they also use it as a serving tray for the food.
Throughout the retail area, there are numerous washboards on display, and some are more than 150 years old. In the back, you'll find the assembly area where washboards are manually assembled.
The heads are what's on top, and this is why we have the finger joints to joint everything together.
There are guided tours 3 times a day where you can get a close-up view of the actual construction of new washboards.
It doesn't totally go all the way together with the press, so we tap it the rest of the way together with our wood blocks.
After the tour, you might want to grab an ice cream cone at Shorty's and head down the street to see the world's largest washboard hanging on the side of the old factory. Logan, Ohio, a delightful town to explore, and best of all, it's just a one-tank trip away. David Moss, Fox 8 News.